গুড ইভিনিং ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস। আজ আমরা লীলাস ফ্রেন্ড থেকে বাকি ভয়েস চেঞ্জগুলো করব। আগের দিন আমরা 27 পর্যন্ত করেছিলাম। লীলা would drop the pencil and run out of the room. এইটারই ভয়েস চেঞ্জ হবে, এদিকটা হবে না, অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট হবে না। এইটুক এখানে ফুল স্টপ দিচ্ছি, এই পর্যন্তই হবে। The pencil would be dropped by Leela. He told incomparable stories of animals in the jungle. Incomparable stories of animals in the jungle. Plural আছে, were told by him. Leela's mother noticed that a gold chain Leela had been wearing was missing. এটাকে পুরোটাই অবজেক্ট ধরে আমরা করতে পারি, অথবা আমরা ইট দিয়েও করতে পারি। যদি এরকমভাবে করি, দ্যাট এ গোল্ড চেন লীলা হ্যাড বিন ওয়ারিং ওয়াজ মিসিং ওয়াজ নোটিসড বাই লীলাজ মাদার। আদারওয়াইজ আমরা এরকমভাবে করতে পারি, ইট ওয়াজ নোটিসড বাই লীলাজ মাদার দ্যাট থেকে বাকি পুরোটাই হবে। She insisted upon having his company all her waking hours. Having his company was insisted upon by her. Her mother gave her a slap. দুটো অবজেক্ট আছে। She was given a slap by her mother. আমরা a slap দিয়েও করতে পারি, a slap was given to her by her mother. Leela's mother threw a glance at him. A glance was thrown at him by Leela's mother. She asked him about the chain. He was asked about the chain by her. Mr. Shivshankar was told about the incident by his wife when he came home that evening. এদিকটা দেখো, এই পোর্শনটা হয়নার আগে পর্যন্ত এটা প্যাসিভে আছে। His wife told Mr. Shivshankar about the chain when he came back home that evening. এটা নাউনটাকে আগে আনলে আরও বেটার হতো। মিস্টার শিবশঙ্কর's ওয়াইফ told him about the chain when he came home that evening. নাউনটাকে আগে নিলে আরও বেটার হতো। She mentioned the police and shouted at him. The police was mentioned and he was shouted at. সাবজেক্ট কমন আছে, shouted at by her. But he has taken away your chain. your chain, বাটটা আগে লিখছি, but your chain has been taken away by him. You are always abusing and owing Siddha. Siddha is always being abused and worried by you. Why should he always be made to sleep outside the house? এটা তো প্যাসিভে আছে, এটা মেক হবে। Why should the master always make him sleep outside the house? Cannot you tell the story of the elephant? You cannot tell the story of the elephant. The story of the elephant cannot be told by you. Can't the story of the elephant be told by you? The police know his haunts. His haunts are known to the police. Don't go near him. Imperative sentence. You are ordered not to go near him. They then asked him where he had put the chain. Then he was asked by them where the chain had been put by him. Leave him alone, he has not taken the chain. Let he be left alone. The chain has not been taken by him. Take him to the station. Let he be taken to the station. The constable took Siddha by the hand and turned to go. এটারই ভয়েস চেঞ্জ হবে, টার্ন টু গো এটা হবে না। Siddha was taken by the hand by the constable. Mr. Shivshankar carried Leela back into the house. Leela was carried back into the house by Mr. Shivshankar. Every day when Mr. Shivshankar came home, he was asked by his wife, "Any news of the jewel?" and বাই হিজ ডটার হোয়ার ইজ সিদ্ধা, প্যাসিভে আছে। এভরি ডে হোয়েন মিস্টার শিবশঙ্কর কেম হোম, his wife asked him any news of the jewel, and his daughter asked him where is Siddha. Leela's mother picked up the chain. The chain was picked up by Leela's mother. She must have dropped it in the pot sometime. It must have been dropped in the pot sometime by her. When it was shown to her, when এখানে যেহেতু আমরা জানি লীলাকে তার মা দেখিয়েছিল, তো এখানে আমরা হার মাদারও করতে পারি। when her mother showed, showed shown হয়, তো showed it to her, Leela said give it here হবে let it be given here, full stop, I want to wear the chain। ঠিক আছে, এটা কমপ্লিট করবে। Why did not you say so before? Why was it not said by you so before? By you ওটাকে পরেও দেওয়া যায়। We could not have kept a criminal like him. A criminal like him could not have been kept by us. এখানে দুটো ফার্স্ট টেন্স বলে রাখি, এইটা 51 আর এখানে এই টার্ন টু গো, এর দুটো যদি কারো অন্য কিছু অ্যান্সার মনে হয় তো আমাকে কমেন্টে অবশ্যই জানাবে। ওকে, রিলাস ফ্রেন্ডলি ভয়েস চেঞ্জ এই বইটা থেকে কমপ্লিট। দেখা হচ্ছে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে।